Well, today is the day of my vlog. Not my vlog, oh my god. Today is the day of my car meet. I had one last weekend, but the rain messed it up. So today I'm gonna try it again. My name is Isaiah Chooks, and let's get this show on the road.
Straight off the front. Oh yeah.
Check it.
The airflow is just
This pretty damn sick. I like the Mustangs. These rims are so clean. Holy. This thing is clean, man. I love it.
But all the thing I didn't do is doing that. Took mofo off.
That thing's clean
I
too.
left the Cadillac converter.
That thing's clean too. All I gotta say, you need a wing.
I had one on. I got an Evo 10 style one that I had sitting on there.
Uh-huh.
I was like, that'd be my luck. I pull up.
On this R35. Got it. Before I knew shit about cars, the clutch went bad. Took it to some guys to replace the clutch, rear main seal, and input shaft bearing. And they did a little bit more stuff to the trans because we paid a little bit extra, so it trans is fucking hold sturdy. Takes all the abuse I give it.
I
But
like those wheels.
boy, fuck.
Like I said, the thing is bone stock.
Oh, that's the quietest airbag I ever heard. Yeah,
And now it's frames on
that is the quietest.
Hello.
La. Crispy. I like that. It's pretty hard. Howdy. BRZ though, man. I love that. That thing is sick. Oh, he had a spoiler on it. He took it off. But this thing though, this thing is sick. I like these freaking Scion. Be loud, boy. What's up, man?
It sounds so much better.
I can't even see him. I love it. Yo, I like that red, bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
That shit's clean, man. With the rim, bro. Great. What? I need a belt. I need a belt.
His lowering springs are right there.
Oh yeah.
I think I can cut them.
No, I wouldn't cut the lowering springs. I would. I don't know about that.
I couldn't.
Check it. Oh my, yeah, this thing is crazy clean. Stupid clean. They got a little rack on the bottom. That's so cool with the fire extinguisher. Got the flower in there. Woo. Wow. At the front. This thing is clean, man. I like it. I need a belt. Yo, that thing looks cool in front of it in the blue.
What's bracking to, man?
What's happening, man?
Had to flex on everybody like that.
What I do, bro?
You know what you did.
Baby.
Separated from the tab and all. It's just a flap now.
Bro, that's how this motherfucker is, bro. I got like one of those.
Yo, this color, wow. This color is crazy. Yo, thank you so much for coming, man.
Hey, no problem.
Thank you, bro. Holy shit. This color is crazy as hell, man. Wow. Yes, sir. Dang, that thing is beautiful, man. I love it. This is the first one I've sat in, bro. Holy shit. Ooh. That is cool as hell. Wow.
Long time, man.
What's up, doggy? He gonna bite me?
No.
Nah, he's scared. I ain't gonna touch him. He might bite me.
Something, boy.
What's up, dog? How you been up to?
Shit.
I better be done a bit. I'm finna sleep.
Whoa, first time seeing this. Ooh. That bitch stretched out, boy.
If I wasn't about that white motherfucker.
Ooh.
Are you recording?
Yeah. We got
Wow.
another one.
That is nice.
That one's clean as fuck.
That one is clean. This one been in the country.
Oh, this one? Oh, yeah.
It been in the country. That's why it's
Yeah.
dirty.
You see what it say? Stupid fast. Stupid fast, boy.
I gotta go look at these cars, boy.
Free man.
Yeah.
Can't even see it. King of smoke. King, bro, that red popping. I like that red.
I see y'all in a minute.
With the bimbo brakes. I like them brakes. Whoop. I'm not driving, I'm just looking at the gear shifter. That thing loud. What he told me to look at?
That shit right there.
Oh, that glows in the dark.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. I like them wheels, man. Them wheels are hard. Finna get a ride in this GTR, bro. Check it. It's already unlocked? Woo! Woo! Dang, smells good in here. What?
First time riding a GTR. You're able to launch.
Wow, y'all need one. Already.
Sticky tires.
Already, dog.
Sideways.
First time in a GTR and it's wrapped with light blue. I could get used to this. Did you sleep in it when you first got it?
Right, the first day.
You did? Yo, I would too. Yes. Oh my God. Woo. Man. I need one.
See if I can get around and do a little launch.
Wow. Beautiful, man. What? That color is crazy. Wow. I said where that white sign is, you can turn in right there.
That's good. Downshift and aggressive.
Yeah. Holy crap. There's a lot of cars coming too. Yo, this thing is crazy, man. What?
Maybe we can get it clear real quick.
Holy crap. I can't believe I need GTR. First time ever in a GTR. God, man, what? Come on, man. Dang, yo, that was crazy. That felt crazy, man. And that car was turning too. Wow. Wow, that boost feels so crazy. It's like,
Nuts I can spin it all forced.
yeah.
If I would have gained traction, it would have been a lot faster. A lot harder.
Holy crap. That was crazy, man. Thank you so much, bro.
Oh, you welcome, dude.
Oh, well, shit. Grab a whole lot.
I think that's C2. Them right in the front of C4.
I think it got pretty big, man.
Oh, that's not cute. That's Ty. That's Ty. She's not gonna do that. She's not gonna do that. Yeah. Check it. Mr. Bounce. See you, Ty. Let me see some.
Get my license plate tag. Chunks, you know.
Alright, man. Yo, that thing is on the ground, bro.
Y'all
You
be
out?
safe, man.
All right, bro. You too, man.
Hey, we're having an after meet at the deck tonight. 7:30.
Tonight, 7:30. All right, I got you, bro.
All right, bro. Y'all
Bet.
be safe.
See you, man.
good?
Yes, sir. How about you, man?
Good, bro. It went good, bro.
Yeah, it was alright. You in the way. Alright, man. Drive safe, bro. My boy Ty. What's up, boy?
I'm about to head out with Marcus.
Alright, bet. Alright, bro. Drive safe, man.
You know that?
Yeah, I know it. Not the one in the front. I know the one in the back. He's the one with the drone. They came late, but they came. They was like an hour and 30 minutes late. But it's okay. They saw the GTR.
Nah. But Chad took forever to get ready.
She took forever to get ready.
No, I didn't. They could
Look
have
at her
left me.
shades, bro. What the heck? Look at them shades,
They
bro.
could have left me. It was.
You gonna buy me a Ferrari, right?
You know, ask me that. I'm not. I ain't got money like that. You think I could buy you a Ferrari?
So?
I'll try
You
to
gonna-
100,000 like
You gonna
that.
get me a Ferrari?
I don't think about it.
Oh my God. You ain't even got no job, boy.
You gonna be out
You the
here
only
stripping?
you the only one without a job. I like them shades though. I like some Gucci Man shades.
That's what I said. They like Cartier shades, huh? Cartier. I got these for.
What you doing?
Just fixing the strap on us all year ago.
It really ain't true. You
What is
need
that?
to put a
What does
fucking
that do?
Brock on that motherfucker.
Bro, I ain't want no bro. See what that now?
What is that? What does it do?
Oh, strap lower the front.
I see why it's
So basically, when you take off and launch on the bike,
Yeah.
if you have the shock and shit unloaded, when you take off, it's like a slide hammer. It slam back, you pull the front tight. If you scrap it tight, you
Yeah.
just gotta worry about it squatting and
Yeah.
go. That's it. You ain't gotta worry about the front. It's eliminated. You ain't gotta worry about slamming back.
I say it's pretty tight. All right, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's getting dark. What does PVO mean?
Positive vibes.
What do my subscribers need to do?
Like, subscribe, and
No.
what else?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, like, comment, subscribe.
Anyways, Potter's Vibes only. Like, comment, subscribe. We out. Peace.